Hey guys, today I'm gonna show y'all how to send a group text message on Motorola Edge Plus. Firstly, open up messages, tap on start chat in the bottom right corner, tap on create group. Now select the contacts that you would like to have, that you would like to send the message to, or you can just type in the phone number alone. Right, now tap on next. You can create a group name, and we'll skip that. And now I'll just type some message, and all of the replies are going to be handled in the individual conversations with each person alone. So that's going to be all. If it helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.